Chunky Monkey will be making little Christmas trees. And you want to guess which one we're making? We're making the light green one. The materials you'll be needing are a paper that's the size of printer paper and the color is your choice, a scissor, a pencil, and don't forget the main material. That's your hands. Now let's get started with really making it. To get started, you're gonna want to fold it like this. So this corner on the sides right here. So you just want to make sure it's even while you fold. And then you want to crease the sides right here. So you might want to go to the side. And then you'll have this little extra part. So you can just fold it this way. And this way. And then unfold it. And you see the crease you made? Just use your scissors and cut on that crease. And then you'll have this little triangle, right, flap thingy. And then you just open it up. And then you want to fold this way, forward, touching these edges together. And then just folding it. So I usually just go to the middle, put my fingers there, and then just go folding the sides. And then you want to crease it. Make sure your crease is really good. And now you have one line here and one line here. So from this line right here, you're just gonna fold it forward like this. The same thing you did before. And then you wanna crease it really good right here. And then you're gonna open it up. You're gonna turn it over. And then keep it on the diamond shape like this. And then you should have a crease right here. So the crease is right here, around the crease. And then follow the crease all the way to the other corner. And then once it's all the way in the other corner, you just want to fold it like that. And then you might have a bit of extra scraps right here. So you want to cut that off. So I just flip it. So the scissor won't be facing me. And then you have all your folds. Now let's go on to the next step. For the second step, I'm going to flip it back over. And then there should be one fold that folds backwards like this on both sides. So on that part, you just fold it in backwards like that on both sides. And then you just bring it in. And then you just lay it on its back and then push it in. And then just push it in. And then you should kind of get diamond. So you're going to crease all the sides really hard. And then you're going to just fold it over here. Over. So it was like this. And then you take this side. Then fold it over. And crease it over here. And then you're going to do that until all of it's like that. And then you should have a diamond flap like this. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So now you're going to do with 2 on this side and then 2 on this side. And then you're going to press it together and fold it on its back. And then you just want to take one of these folds. And then so use your scissors. And then make sure the tip of your scissor gets all the way to the tip of the paper right here. And then once it gets to the tip, you'll just try pressing your finger down. And then use your fingers again. And just press it all the way. And this middle line, the crease you made, should connect to this little place with these. And then you just crease it together. Really good. And then you're gonna wanna fold it that way, like in half, and then just fold it like that. And then you're gonna do that with the rest of it. So on this side, you're gonna wanna take your scissors again and just fold it. Just like the first one. And then you're gonna do that with the rest of it. And now you should have like this triangular shape and then some extra here at the bottom, which is connected to it. So you just want to cut right there. So you should have a little flap here, and then under you can just cut it right there. So I'm just gonna cut right here. Now using my pencil, I'm gonna do straight lines, like one line. So I've done one line right there. I'm gonna do 3 more lines right above it. So now I have 2 lines. My 3rd one and my 4th one. Now I've drawn my lines. So I'm gonna do a little bit lines right here and make sure it's evenly out. So when I cut it right here, I know where to stop cutting. So I'm gonna do that with the rest of it. So now I've drawn my line, so I'm gonna cut it till that line, and then same thing on this side, cut it till that line. So I've done that on that side. Now on this side, I do that same thing. And now once you're done with that, you just want to spread it out. Because since you just cut it together, all of them together, it'll kind of stick together. And then it'll kind of stand out like this. So I'm going to take 4 on this side again, and like this. And then I'm going to fold it back like that. For the 4th step, you're going to want to take one of your pieces, and then like kind of fold it right there. And then crease it on its end. Your corner right here should stay the same. So that I'm going to do that with the rest of my flaps on both of these sides. And then I'll turn it around here and then do that same thing over here, until it's all finished. So I'm going to get started right now. So folding it, creasing it, and keeping the corner the same. Fold, crease, keep the corner the same. Fold, crease, keep the corner the same. And now I'm just going to do that on this side. So I take my piece, I fold it, I crease it, and keep the corner the same. Fold it, crease it, keep the corner the same. Fold, crease, keep the corner the same. And then with my last one over here, we want to be gentle since it's the littlest one. So I folded it, creased it, and kept that on the same. So I'm going to flip it back like this towards me. And then I'm just going to turn it over, keeping my folds turned at the same time. And then I'm just gonna fold it right here like this. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side. And then I'll fold it, and this side would have already been done. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on that side. Now I'm finishing my last one. And this time it's gonna look like this because we folded on the sides. And then you wanna try making it stand and then kind of spread it out. if you want, you can cut out a yellow star and then just put on the top. Or you can just take like some crayons and make dots on this, like ornaments, and the star was for the star at the top, and then it's done. This is the one we made today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye everyone. See you in one of my next videos. Bye.